you understand the instrument, this is the power on key or also the measurement key. To on the instrument, you have to paste this key and the instrument will be on. Then you have to paste this bulb like key. It will illuminate the display panel. The display panel is illuminated. Now you can read the commands directly. So here there is a many command keys are there, numeric and some alphanumeric, menu, enter, distance, escape, light, and for up down key, up, down, left and right. Okay, so these keys, with this help of these keys you can carry out the leveling task. So when the first you on the instrument, it will display the menu. In menu there are 4 options. First is a measure, second is adjust, third is a set, and fourth is a data manager. We have to first go to the first option, and that is the measure. When the measure is displayed, you enter the enter key. When you enter it, again 4 options will display: measuring mode, stack out, leveling, and ground height and horizontal distance. In here you have to select the third option for leveling. Third is the leveling. So when the cursor is appear at the leveling, you again enter the enter key. Now it will ask the job name. Okay. Suppose today's job name is 987. Okay. So you enter that command and press the enter key. When you enter the enter key, you will ask the first point. First point is always a backside up. When we start the leveling, we have to select some reference benchmark, and on reference benchmark, we have to take the backside. Backside, after taking backside, you can establish the instrument height. So first you have to put leveling staff on the benchmark and take the backside. When this display, you have to press the enter key. When you enter the enter key, it will ask you the load data. So yes for enter, no for escape. When already a survey data set is there, you can load. If not, you can escape. When you escape, it will ask you entering of the backside ground height. Means what is the reading of the benchmark. So you enter as suppose 100. So I have entered 100 and enter. So it will record it. So the reduced level of the benchmark is 100. Now I have to measure the backside road. In front of me there is a leveling staff, bar-coded leveling staff is displayed. So I have to make the alignment of the instrument with the bar-coded leveling staff, and I have to take the reading. So now when they are in the line, I will look through the telescope. First of all, I will adjust my object glass to make distinct and clear the object. Now the object is clear. If need arise, I will focus the eyepiece also, and then I will press this measure key. When I press this measure key, that waves are transmitted and it will read the reading. The reading is backside road is 1.242 and distance is 5.267. So the height reading is 1.242 and the distance is a 5.267 from instrument to the object. Now after first reading, you enter the enter key. When you enter it, it will be automatically recorded. Now you have the 2-point type, foresight or intermediate sight. If you want to close the work, you can take the foresight as in a leveling. The last reading of the setup is a foresight. If you want to take more reading, then you use the left right key. Your cursor needs to be on the intermediate side. Then enter. When you enter, it is intermediate point I1. Again enter and measure the intermediate point. A similar way, we have measured the backside point. So measure, focus if required, and press the measure key. The waves are transmitted and the reading is recorded. Now again you see the intermediate road is 1.242 and intermediate distance is 5.282 meters. So the reading is noted down. When you enter the enter key, it will automatically record it. Now you can take the foresight if you want to close the work. So again Again, bisect the leveling staff by making alignment and do the focusing of the object glass. When it is focused clearly, the staff is visible, press the measure key. Okay? It will take the reading. So, foresight reading is recorded 1.241, foresight is 5.2. Now you can enter. The cursor will ask you for the back side. As your last reading was the foresight, the next reading will be the back side. Likewise, you can take many setup of the reading of back side, intermediate side and foresight, and you can finish your leveling work. I have with me our curator and surveying lab, E.M. Panchal sir, and we have Dhaval sir. He is helping me to record this shoot and also the technically helping me. So we will thank you all and appreciate our video if you like it.